guys, we're now in my sister's friend's garage looking today at the Liftmaster 1/2 horsepower screw drive garage door opener. Now here's that wall button over there. Let me see what it sounds. Really quiet. Now here's the light button. Really nice button. Now let's close it. Screws kind of fast. Screws kind of fast. Really nice garage door opener. Really quiet. No loud noises. Whoa. And there's that spring right there. In that left side, there's a little bit of a spring. The little one is on the left side is black. The big one on the right is silver with metal. It's a metal spring and black spring and metal spring. I'm not sure what the kind it is. I like this garage. Really quiet. No sound. Alright, I will need a video on YouTube. Check back soon and subscribe to the channel. Bye.